Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Claire and I put out videos about luxury bags and accessories. So if that is your thing, please click on the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, you'll know when I upload a new video. In a recent video, I unboxed a pair of Fendi Colibris from the Spring Summer 25 collection. And if you haven't checked out that video, I will link it down below. And I said in that video that that pair of Fendi Colibris were my 12th pair. Yeah, and I said I think I probably have a problem. Well, I do have a problem. I love Fendi Colibris, they're my favourite shoes, and yes, I have 12 pairs. So I thought in this video I would put my money where my mouth is, show you the proof of the pudding, to quote all the cliches, and show you my 12 pairs of Fendi Colibris. So I have them all laid out here and I'm going to show them to you. I'm going to try and do it in order of when I got them, okay? So the very first pair I'm going to show you are my Fendi boots, and they are Colibrì-esque, so that's why I'm counting them in my number of Colibri shoes. But here they are. Yes, these are glorious, these boots. It's easy to just show you one, but there's the pair, so I'm just going to show you one to demonstrate. It's in the Fendi Zucca print. They have kind of like elasticated panels at the side, and they have the Colibrì heel. This is an 8.5 heel. This is in a very dark silver gunmetal colour. So yeah, these are glorious. I got them from Luisa Via Roma in, I think, around 2019, and these Fendi boots had 40% off, so I think I picked them up for about £500. Now I haven't worn them a lot, they don't get excessive wear, they're very much occasion wear for me, but I feel absolutely fabulous when I do wear these. These are just fantastic. So they have the pointed toe, they have kind of a black band across there like that, very much say in the Colibrì style. Then at the back, you can see that they do have, I don't know if I can get that into focus. Yeah, they do have a ribbon saying Fendi running down the back there. So yeah, so there's not a lot of wear on them because I haven't worn them, as I say, excessively. I've worn them a few times for occasions. Very much, you know, an occasion boot for me, but I absolutely love them. And yeah, I'm going to, you know, wear them more this year. I think I need to wear them more because they are just so fabulous. So those boots were my first Fendi item, and for a while they were my only Fendi item, and it was a good few years before I then bought another item from Fendi. How times have changed. So many of my luxury items are Fendi these days. But the next pair of shoes I bought were my Colibrì lights in the gold. So again, there's the pair, and I will show you one up close. Beautiful gold style. These are high heels again. These are the 8.5 heels again, and they have the thin strap across. Just absolutely beautiful. Now I've shown these on my channel and told the story a few times. I just bought my Chanel reissue in the gold, and I wanted to wear that to a wedding, and I wanted to get some gold shoes to go with it. I saw these and fell in love with them and purchased them. And then we went out to dinner with the bride and groom, and the bride told me that the church where they were getting married was basically on a sandy beach at the end of a cobblestone road, accessed by a gravel car park. And then there was a champagne reception back at the hotel on the grass. So basically we had gravel, cobblestones, sand and grass, and I knew that these heels would have not stood up to any of that, and these beautiful shoes would have been absolutely ruined. So I had to do the sensible thing. I didn't wear these for the wedding. I bought another pair of gold shoes with a lovely little block heel that could cope with all those terrains, and yeah, I had to not wear these. So these languished unworn during 22, 23, because I bought them partway through 22. So during 22, 23, and then I did finally wear them in 24. They actually appeared in a video the early part of last year saying that it was an item of luxury I'd purchased but not yet worn, and I was sad about that, but then I did actually get to wear them in 24. I had a party, I wore them in 24, they were comfortable, they were fabulous, I thoroughly enjoyed wearing them. So yeah, I shall definitely be looking to wear these more going forward. So my next pair, you cannot class these as unworn in any way, shape or form. These are probably one of my most worn pairs. It's my standard pair of Colibris in the brown Zucca print with the black trim, and then it's got kind of the brown, red and cream strap across there. These are my first low-heeled pair. If you can see that, that's a silver low heel is about 5.5 centimeters. These are starting to be very well worn around there because I have worn these a lot. I wear these a lot for work, I wear them for other occasions. I wear these so much. They are probably my favorite pair. And yeah, they certainly get the wear, these ones. And then not long after I bought those ones, a very similar pair, but I bought the all black pair. So exactly the same, low heel again. This time it has a black heel, but it's just completely black. And these are extremely well worn. You can see there, I don't know if you can see that, yeah, very, very well worn around there. Wear these all the time as well because they just go with everything because they're black. Those two pairs there, those two low-heeled brown and black pairs, they are the two pairs I would consider replacing in the future. If they got so worn, I would definitely buy them again and replace them because I wear them so much. Because I found myself wearing those ones so much, the next pair I bought was actually my neutral sort of beigey rose pink pair, which I felt would go, you know, with summer outfits, again, work and non-work. So I bought these I think from 24S a couple of years ago. Yeah, really love these. They haven't had that much wear. Again, they are a low-heeled pair. They've got the silver heel there. They're all sort of like this, say, this very nice beigey pale pink colour. Go with, you know, very neutral, go with so many things, but haven't worn these again to excess. I've worn them a few times. I think I might try and get them out a bit more in summer this year because I didn't wear them as much as I thought I would last summer. Now, you may have to forgive me if I accidentally go out of order. I'm trying to remember the order in which I bought them, but I may at this point start getting it a bit mixed up. But I think my next pair were these, the blue and black pair. So let's show you one of these. Now this is in the higher heel. This pair did not come in the lower heel, so I decided to purchase them in the higher heel because I do have so much blue and navy in my wardrobe, and I had my blue baguette at this point, so I knew they were shoes that would go with that. I've worn them a few times. Again, if they were a lower heel, I'd probably get a lot more wear out of them, but I have worn them a few times, and I do, you know, love wearing them. It's a real shame they didn't come in the low heel, but I love the blue. I love the fact I've got a sort of a navy blue and black high-heeled pair that go with so many things. I bought these during the weekend with the luxury YouTubers in London. So along with my fuchsia baguette, I bought these Colibris. So yeah, so again, these are another reminder of that fabulous weekend that we all spent together. Then I think, again, my next pair were these, my pink and burgundy pair. These are beautiful. I love these. They have a gold heel. They are the higher heel. Now I did a video about these because they did release these in a lower heel, but the lower heel only went to Asia, Australia and the US, and I debated getting one of my friends in the US or Australia to get me the low heeled pair, and I decided ultimately to get the higher heeled pair from the UK. I don't regret getting the higher heeled pair, but I do kind of regret not also getting the lower heeled pair, or not getting the lower heeled pair instead. I do regret it because I wear these again occasionally because they are the higher heel, but I know I would get a lot more wear out of these if they were the lower heel. So that is a luxury regret I have. My friends at the time did offer to get them, and I debated and I said no, I'll get the high heel pair from the UK and I'll be fine with them. I'll stick with them. I won't bother getting the other pair in the low heel. And yeah, I do regret not getting them. So, you know, I need to perhaps try and wear these more because they are so beautiful. I love them. I mean, burgundy is one of my favourite colours. And there is another burgundy pair coming up, which I probably wouldn't have got had I already got these in the low heel, because they would have sufficed as my burgundy low heel pair. But I ended up getting a different burgundy low heeled pair because these were the high heel. So I don't have many luxury regrets, but that is one of them. If I ever find a pair of those with a low heel pre-loved or anything like that, I'll probably get them. So which pair was next? So I think this pair were next, and these are my closed-in Colibris, again with the low heel. They are navy and black, and they have the low heel in a silver. Now these are slightly too big. These are size 40. All the pairs I've shown you so far are either a 39 or a 39.5. I started off getting 39.5. In an open heeled shoe, I'm usually a size 40. However, when I tried Colibris on for the first few times, I definitely needed to size down, and I went to a 39.5. However, as I was wearing my first few pairs I bought in a 39.5, because they have the elastic straps, they do give a little, and I found actually that a 39 is better for me. So I can still wear the 39.5s, they still feel comfortable, they still are fine. But the last sort of about 5 or 6 pairs I've bought, I've got them in a 39, because I can completely get away with a 39, and I can, you know, effectively downsize a whole size. So Colibris do come up a little bit big, so I think you definitely are best to size down at least half or a whole size. These are a size 40 because I got these pre-loved from Designer Exchange. Full disclosure, this is one of the pairs I haven't worn yet. There's only 3 pairs I haven't worn yet. The other 2 got very good reason why. This one, you know, yes, I should have worn these by now. They are that touch big, so I've actually got these foam comfort insoles, which I need to cut to size to put in them, and I just haven't got round to doing it, and I really need to do it because then I'll be able to wear these. So I'm fully intending to do that and start wearing these. I just need to get myself sorted. They're not really big in that they're falling off my feet, but I just feel they've got a little bit of extra room in them, and with one of those insoles that will probably make them feel a little bit better. I did buy these heel things from Amazon, which you're supposed to put around there, and they help keep a slightly larger shoe on your foot, but they didn't work, so they were rubbish. So I'm going to try those, and hopefully I'll be able to start wearing these. But yeah, these are pristine, but they were pre-loved, so they were such a good price. And then my next pair were also pre-loved. These are my beautiful ones with the flowers and the check design and the sort of little short bamboo style heel. These were pre-loved from a Facebook group, brand new. I wore these quite a few times in the summer last year, and I featured them on my favourite purchases of 24 because, yeah, they were such a bargain and they're such a pretty shoe. I really love these Colibris. So fortunate to get these. I'd never seen these before until they popped up in the Facebook group, and yeah, I jumped on them because they were such a bargain, and they were my size. They were a 39. Again, I think the next pair that I bought were these ones, these absolutely stunning green ones. I was looking for a pair of shoes to match my green wallet on chain, and I came across these. These were on the 24S website, greatly reduced, I don't know why, and they were absolutely stunning. I just fell in love with them. I remember when these first came out, spring summer 23, and I loved them. I don't know why I didn't buy them then. They do have the higher heel. These are another pair of my unworn ones. This is pair number 2 that I haven't worn yet, simply because I bought them September, October last year. Haven't had the weather in the UK as yet to wear them. Can't wait to wear them in spring, summer this year. And since I bought them, I've also obviously got my green baguette that is part of the same collection that matches these. So these go not only with my wallet on chain, but also with my green baguette. So I just can't wait to wear them with my green baguette. But yeah, these are stunning. So one of the, along with these, my sort of very pretty Fendi Colibris. And then I think the next pair were my other burgundy pair. As I say, I probably wouldn't have bought these had I been able to get that other pink and burgundy pair in the low heel. But when I saw these, I thought, right, here's my opportunity to get a burgundy pair with the low heel. These are the kitten heel style though. So these are primarily burgundy, but they do have khaki, cream, pink and beige on them in the Fs. There is a baguette, a mini baguette that is very similar design to this with similar colours. Very tempted to get that, but I did resist. I didn't get the mini baguette that matched these. But yeah, they've got a little checked piece at the back. But my other burgundy pair, so with the kitten heel, worn them once or twice already. But I only got them at the end of last year, so I haven't had too much opportunity to wear them as yet. And then the 12th and final pair are my new green ones that I have just unboxed. The third pair that I haven't worn yet, because obviously I have only just got them, I have only just unboxed them. They are this beautiful pale green, which Fendi calls matcha. So at time of filming, these are still available. Again, they're the kitten heel. I have also been told that sadly this lower heel style hasn't been released in Australia. I think they do these in a high heel as well. That is my collection of Fendi Colibrì shoes. So 1 pair of boots, 11 pairs of shoes. And yeah, there's only 3 pairs, as I say, that I haven't worn at all yet. The matcha green, because I've literally only just bought them. The bright green, because I just haven't had the weather for them as yet. And the closed in pre-loved black and navy pair, because I just really need to get my act together and sort that insole out so that I can actually wear them. So yes, do I have a problem? I don't really consider myself a collector of luxury items, but I suppose you could definitely call this a collection. But it is a collection on the whole that I do use, I do wear. So it's very much a working collection. I don't really need any Fendi Colibrís for a while. Please Fendi, don't release any that I fall in love with for a long time yet, because I just need to carry on wearing and enjoying all of these. Yeah, and I'm running out of space of where to put them. So yes, but I do love my Colibrís, you can see that. There are my 12 pairs. Please let me know what you think. Do you like Colibrís? Are you as crazy as me and have as many? I think probably one of the only other people I know that have this many is Meredith from Living Luxe with Meredith. I'll link her channel down below. I think she has a fair few Colibrís, probably close to the number I have, or she might even have more than me. She might be the one person on YouTube that has more than me. I know the lovely Dale from Dale's Addiction and Gwenny from Styled by Gwenny, they have a few pairs of Fendi Colibrís each, and the lovely Deb from Wild Unfiltered, she has at least 1 pair, I know. I think we have all kind of influenced each other in terms of buying the Colibrís, but yeah, I found for me they were a style that I fell in love with. They are so comfortable, they work for me, they work for my wardrobe. I got my first few pairs and then I just ran with it because they were just such a perfect shoe for me. So yes, there you have it. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. As I say, please let me know down in the comments what you think to my total obsession to Fendi Colibrís. You have a similar obsession with other luxury shoes? I know quite a few people have got a fair few pairs of Oran sandals, for example, so maybe I'm not the only one that has an obsession with certain luxury shoes. Anyway, thank you for watching everyone. I really appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye everyone.